Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to sew a Christmas stocking using my free template. For this project, we may use any kind of fabric. For this one, I used jute fabric. I love the way it turned out. But for the one we're going to sew today, I am using 100% cotton. We are going to need 3 pieces of fabric and 1 piece of quilt battling and ribbon with the measurements on the screen. Also, if you wish to customize it, we are going to need iron-on vinyl, or you may decorate it using your own personal touch. Let's start cutting the fabric, but before, visit my website daisymultifacetica.com to download the free template, the free pattern. Let's take the 2 bigger pieces of fabric and put them together. Then place the pattern on top, secure it with pins and cut. But before, let's make sure we leave 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. To make it easy for you, you may mark it with a fabric pen or a fabric marker. Now we're going to cut the battling. We just take one of the 2 pieces that we already cut, put it on top, and cut all around. Now let's layer all the pieces together. The battling on the bottom, the front layer in the middle, and the back layer on top. Secure it with pins and sew all around, leaving 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Take the pins off and turn inside out. Straighten it up and iron. Now we're going to work on the top part. Take the last piece of fabric, fold it in 2 and iron it. Then unfold again and put the two ends together, secure it with pins and sew, leaving 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Now turn inside out and fold in half again like this. And iron it. Now to attach the top part, we're going to turn the stocking inside out and place the last part we sew on top, making sure the stitches are on the back of the stocking. Secure it with pins and sew all around, leaving 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Now let's turn inside out, fold the top and iron. Now let's attach a ribbon on top and ready. We can leave the stocking like that, or we can decorate it adding our personal touch. I'm going to customize it with iron-on vinyl. I'm going to show you really quick how you can do it using a Cricut machine. If you're new at Cricut and would like to know all about how to apply iron on vinyl, I invite you to look for my tutorial in my YouTube channel. And here we have the beautiful and customized Christmas stocking. And if you would like to sew this project, I invite you to visit me on my website daisymultifacetica.com, where you can download the free pattern. I'm going to leave you the link in the video description and here on the screen. Also, if you make this project, I invite you to share your pictures in my Facebook page. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.